Tree lovers, this big Sylvester palm is going in the ground. Check it out, there it is.
Is that height good, Joel? I mean, it's pretty level right there with the root ball.
I think so. He doesn't have it all the way down yet. So we set it in the ground and then he scans it straight. So here we go, you see how crooked it is. James over there is going to signal straight from his direction, and I'm going to do it from my direction. So I've got my right arm extended with my finger pointed out, and I'm going to tell him when it's straight. Perfect. There we go. Tree number 2 in the hole, straight and ready to go.